Greetings, my name is Juanita Mort, and I am honored to serve as the Technology Officer on the WA Alliance Council. I'm sorry that I'm not able to be with you in person, but I'm thrilled to have the opportunity to share a few minutes with you via video. I'm going to be providing an update on the Future Proofing of Tech Skills Task Force. The goal of this task force is to explore how administrative professionals can play a pivotal role in driving technology adoption and innovation within our alliance and our organizations. Since AI is such a hot topic right now, I thought I'd use it for some of this presentation. First, I used it to create a presentation outline to see how it compared to the one I created. It was very similar, but then I had input on both of them, so it doesn't surprise me. I also used it for many images throughout the presentation, and I'll call your attention to those when we see them. As we go through the presentation, we're going to discuss what's been identified or done and what we'll be working on in the coming months. At the 2022 summit, the delegates and observers considered this question: how can administrative professionals become technical ambassadors? As a result of these discussions, the Future Proofing Tech Skills Task Force was created, along with several goals. Before we look at them, let's look at the pictures on this slide. I used 3 different AI generators to create an image using the same set of criteria. That criteria was, as shown on the screen, technology ambassadors in the workplace, and make it a digital image. Isn't it interesting how the same criteria was given to 3 different generators, and it was interpreted differently, each creating a very different type of image, just like people interpret things differently. That's not surprising, but why? Well, it's not surprising because people write the code for each program, for each generator, and when we have humans writing the code or humans behind it, we bring our interpretations, our thoughts, our biases, and they can all be part of AI too. So while AI is a great tool, we have to be aware of some of the limitations it also presents. Now let's get back to our goals. Let's take a look, shall we? The goals from this summit are these: spread the word, create a centralized resource hub, promote inclusivity through technology, identify and highlight our technology champions, foster cross-collaboration among our alliance members, and develop a technology mentorship program. We're going to take a look at each of these in a little bit more detail, but before we do that, let's look at the image on this screen. The image on this screen is also AI generated. This time we used Bing.com. And the criteria that I used was create a technology task force working in collaboration and make it a digital image. And this is what they gave me. Let's look now deeper at the goals, shall we? Our first goal is spreading awareness. In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, staying informed about current and emerging technologies is paramount. Spreading awareness ensures that individuals and organizations are prepared to adapt to technological changes and harness their potential benefits. It fosters a culture of innovation and continuous learning within our workplaces. It drives progress and competitiveness in the industry. As admins, we are in a unique position to communicate this information. Why? Well, because we often serve as conduits of the information within our organizations. We bridge communication gaps between different departments and different levels of hierarchies. Our role is central and provides us that unique vantage point that we can effectively disseminate information to all colleagues and stakeholders. And we also can leverage our communication skills, and we can do that across various channels. And, we kind of have our finger on the pulse of everything, so that enables us to leverage those skills to get information out there. And by spreading awareness, we empower individuals to make informed decisions and adapt their workflows to leverage new technologies effectively. Using a proactive approach like this minimizes the risk of being left behind in a rapidly changing environment and positions our organizations and our associations to seize opportunities for growth and innovation. Collectively, raising awareness about technological advancements fosters collaboration, knowledge sharing, and a sense of collective responsibility towards embracing progress with industry. Our next goal is creating a centralized resource hub. So why do we need a resource hub? Well, in today's fast-paced technological landscape, access to reliable information and tools is essential for individuals and organizations to stay ahead. This type of centralized hub addresses the need for a consolidated platform where members and our member associations, our business partners, can easily access valuable technology-related resources. By centralizing these resources, we eliminate the time-consuming process of searching through various sources, and we ensure that everyone has quick and convenient access to the information that they need. The centralized resource hub will serve as a comprehensive repository, housing a diverse range of technology-related materials such as articles, guides, tutorials, tools, trainings that our member associations and business partners are offering. Members can rely on this hub as their go-to destination for staying informed and up to date on the latest trends, developments, best practices in technology, and again, training. And by consolidating resources in one place, we streamline the process of knowledge acquisition and promote a culture of continuous learning and professional development among our member associations, their members, and our business partners. So what will it look like? Our task force will engage in discussions to define the features and functionalities of the resource hub, tailoring it to the specific needs and preferences of our members. Topics of discussions may include the organization of content, search capabilities, user interface and design, accessibility features, and integration with our existing platforms and systems. Effective management of the hub is going to be crucial to this success. This is going to involve establishing clear structures that we need to have in place, implementing content moderation protocols, and ensuring that we do regular updates and maintenance to keep the hub relevant and valuable to our users. Our next goal is promoting inclusivity through technology. Inclusivity through technology is essential for fostering an environment where everyone, regardless of background or ability, has equal opportunities to thrive. Technology has the power to remove barriers and create a level playing field by providing accessible tools and resources for individuals to participate fully in various aspects of life. By prioritizing inclusivity in technology design and implementation, we can promote diversity, equity, and social justice in our communities and workplaces. As administrative professionals, we have a unique opportunity to advocate for the adoption of inclusive technologies within our organizations. By understanding the diverse needs and preferences of our colleagues and stakeholders, we can champion the integration of technology solutions that might accommodate individuals from different backgrounds and abilities. And through effective communication and collaboration with our decision makers and technology vendors, we can influence the selection and implementation of inclusive technologies that enhance accessibility and promote inclusivity across the organization. In our exploration, we'll delve into various strategies and approaches for promoting inclusivity through technology. This might include advocating for the department for the development of accessible digital platforms, leveraging assistive technologies to support individuals with disabilities, and fostering a culture of inclusivity in technology design and developmental processes. We'll also discuss the role that each of us can play in advancing this effort, whether through raising awareness, providing feedback on accessibility features, or actively participating in diversity and inclusion initiatives within our organizations and associations. Our next goal is identifying and highlighting technology champions. Technology champions are individuals within an organization who demonstrate a strong passion and expertise in utilizing technology to drive positive change. Identifying these champions is vital for fostering innovation, promoting adoption of new technologies, and inspiring others to embrace technological advancements. These champions serve as our best advocates, mentors, and catalysts for transformation, playing a pivotal role in shaping our organization and association's digital strategy and future. So, what are characteristics of technology champions? Well, there are many, but a few are this. They exhibit various characteristics that set them apart as influential advocates for technology adoption and innovation. They are the go-to people. They always get the newest technology. They're always interested in technology and looking at something. They possess a deep understanding of emerging technologies and their potential applications in addressing organizational challenges and opportunities. They demonstrate enthusiasm, resilience, and willingness to experiment with new tools and methodologies, even in the face of uncertainty and resistance. So, how do we identify our champions? Well, identifying potential technology champions involves recognizing individuals who demonstrate the aptitude, passion, and willingness to champion technology within their respective roles. This might include observing individuals who proactively seek out opportunities to leverage technology for improved efficiency, productivity, or innovation. It could also involve soliciting nominations or recommendations from our colleagues, from their supervisors, of those who might have observed exemplary use of technology and leadership qualities in specific individuals. Once we identify them, it's essential to highlight and empower technology champions to maximize their impact within our organizations and associations. This can be achieved through formal recognition programs, leadership development opportunities, and platforms for sharing success stories and best practices. We can empower our technology champions to provide them with the necessary resources, support, and autonomy to lead initiatives, drive change, and inspire others to embrace technology-driven innovation. How would this impact us? How will our champions impact us? I believe our champions play a crucial role in driving organizational success by fostering a culture of innovation, agility, and continuous improvement. Their advocacy and leadership contribute to increased technology adoption, enhanced digital literacy, and improved collaboration across departments and teams. Ultimately, technology champions help position the organization, our association, for long-term success in an increasingly digital and competitive landscape. Our next goal and our last goal is fostering cross-collaboration and developing a mentorship program. Cross-collaboration among alliance members, whether within an organization or across different entities, is vital for driving innovation and maximizing efficiency. When we pool our resources and diverse perspectives, expertise, cross-collaboration encourages the exchange of ideas and fosters creativity, leading to the development of innovative solutions to complex problems. Collaboration efforts also enable organizations to leverage each other's strengths and capabilities, resulting in streamlined processes, cost savings, and improved outcomes. My apologies, let me go back one more. Sharing resources, tools, and knowledge is essential for optimizing collective capabilities and achieving mutual goals. Resources such as data, technology infrastructure, and specialized equipment allows alliance members to access resources they may not have individually, and leading to increased efficiency and cost effectiveness. Similarly, sharing knowledge and best practices promotes continuous learning and improvement, helping alliance members stay informed about the latest trends, developments, and strategies in their respective fields. A technology mentorship program is a structured initiative aimed at fostering professional development and a knowledge exchange among individuals within our organizations and in the Alliance specifically. The program pairs experienced technology professionals, the mentors, with less experienced colleagues, the mentees, to facilitate learning, skill development, which leads to career advancement. Through one-on-one mentoring relationships, mentees benefit from personalized guidance, advice, and support to navigate challenges, develop new skills, and advance their careers. At the same time, mentors have the opportunity to share their expertise, build leadership skills, and contribute to the growth and success of their mentees and the association as a whole. So what's next? We're going to explore our future action items. As we look ahead, there are several proactive steps we can take to advance our goals and enhance our impact within our Alliance and in our associations. These action items are aimed at fostering innovation, staying abreast of our technological advancements, and meeting the evolving needs of our stakeholders in an ever-changing landscape. To maintain our position at the forefront of technology advances, we will conduct research and testing on emerging technologies. By actively exploring new tools and platforms, we can identify innovative solutions that have the potential to drive efficiency, productivity, and competitiveness in our workplaces. By testing emerging technologies, we can evaluate their suitability, reliability, and potential impact before recommending implementation on a broader scale. We're going to hold annual focus groups each year before Summit. We'll convene focus groups to gain insights into the current and future needs of our associations and their members. These focus groups will provide invaluable opportunities to gather feedback, identify trends, and prioritize initiatives that will best serve the interest of our associations and their members. The insights to be gleaned from these focus groups will be shared during the annual meeting, informing our strategic planning and decision-making processes. We will organize monthly and quarterly meetups to facilitate networking, idea exchange, and collaboration among our members. These meetups will bring together like-minded individuals from different industries and countries to discuss common challenges, share best practices, and explore opportunities for growth and development. By creating a supportive and collaborative environment, these meetups will foster relationships, build networks, and promote knowledge sharing. We will establish a dedicated tech resource hub that serves as a centralized repository of technology-related resources for our association and their members. This hub will provide access to a wealth of resources, including training opportunities, reading materials, and links to member associations and business partners. By offering this comprehensive suite of resources, the Tech Resource Hub will empower our members to enhance their technology skills and drive growth and innovation within their organizations. By implementing these action items, we aim to continue driving technology adoption and innovation within our Alliance and our associations and their members. Through proactive research, collaboration, and resource sharing, we can equip our members with the tools, the knowledge, and the support they need to embrace technology and thrive in a digital world. In conclusion, administrative professionals, us, play a crucial role as technical ambassadors in promoting technology adoption and innovation. I encourage each of you to get involved and take action in advancing our goals. You can do this by submitting questions, best practices, participating in meetups and our focus groups. In a rapidly evolving digital landscape, staying ahead means staying informed and requires collaboration, innovation, and empowerment. It's time to re-energize the Future-Proofing Tech Skills Task Force. If you love technology or are curious, why not join us as we navigate, explore, and master the future of tech skills? Together, we can create a more technologically savvy and inclusive environment for everyone. Before I end, I'll call your attention to the images on the screen. Both images in the background and the foreground are AI-generated images. with the criteria, say thank you in the many languages around the world. Thank you all for joining today. If you are interested in joining us on the task force or would like to provide some feedback or input, please reach out to me at technology@wa-alliance.com, and I'd be happy to engage with you on the topic. Thank you for your time today. Have a wonderful conference. Enjoy networking with each other and learning together. Thank you so much. Goodbye.